Hey Chance, good evening. My name is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. I reached out to you today and then you called me back anyway, and that was good. Good of you calling me back. So it was nice speaking with you. So I promised to send you a video, so here it is. I wanted to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. With that, let's get started. So I'm kind of looking at your site. It looks pretty good. You did a few work in here. That's good. But there are so many things lacking here. You do not have a lot of content. And when I say content, is anything that you can highlight. Whether there are images, text, anything behind the images, they are all content. So you do not have enough of images, enough of text. And this right here should be up here where people can see it as soon as they're coming in here to check your site. And this right here, the headings need a little bit more work, probably to add kind of like locations and some other things. But anyway, let me show you these guys right here. This is Gulf Coast Fence. This is one of your competitions. As you can see, their site have a lot of images and a lot of text. So they have more content than you do. Okay? So with that, if I have to be the one to help you with your site, there are 2 things that we need to do. First, we have to have at least 1,500 content in order to beat your competitions content-wise. And secondly, we have to have some keywords in here, especially on your homepage and the other pages as well. So when I say keywords, what I mean is, for example, if you have something like this, carpentry work, Houston or Sugarland or any of the series, or plumbing work, Houston, electrician, painting. If you have any of these and you have the multiple places on here and other pages, and then when people come in and they click on them, and then they can go in and read more of them, or wherever you have them inside your site, people can be able to get in and then read more about them. So if you have stuff like this and they are clickable, you say, I can click on this. You click on them, they don't go anywhere. So you gotta make them clickable. So with that, people will really come here and check them out, and you will be really relevant, and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google thinks you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. This right here is, I went ahead and checked out Fence Repair Houston. And this part right here is called Map Park. And these 3 here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work because they are pretty easy to find. And you can see them as soon as you come in here. And there are reasons why they are listed here at the Map Park. 1, have a Google business profile. Second, optimizing as much as possible. That is making it better, perfect, or effective. And third, getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. And these right here, these are called the organic section. So as you can see, we have your competition right here, Gulf Coast Fence. They are right here at the organic section. That is pretty good. It shows that they're doing well. And that this here will be giving them a lot of search, a lot of volume. Because whenever anybody comes in here and clicks on their name, that gives them a lot of volume. And as you can see, they are not up here at the Map Park. So it's pretty good to be here. and then over here are the organic search terms, so that people will see you wherever they go. Here at the first page of Google. And sometimes people run some ads here, and it's called Google Ads, and that is pretty good as well. This right here, this is a paid program I normally use to research on websites. It's called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and search your business name here, so we can see what your numbers are. These are your numbers. You have DR0. DR is very important to where you fall within the Google search results. So it's a pretty important thing to have some ratings here. Okay, and this right here is your backlink. So backlink, you have 4. This is like a shout out or a click of a button from another site. For example, if a blogging website has written an article about your competitions, Gulf Coast Fence, and everybody should go and check them out, and they happen to have a clickable button that links back to their website, that will be called a backlink. And this here is another thing I want to talk to you about, is one of the most important things as well. It's called organic keywords. So you have 0 organic keywords. So I'm gonna use your competitions numbers to show you a lot of them there. So this is Gulf Coast Fence, and this is their organic keywords. They have 333, and that's a lot of numbers. So when we come in here, as you can see, we have a lot of keywords in here. These are the things people are searching every day when they're looking for fence repair or any kind of work. People are searching for this. And your opponent, your competition, they have these on their websites, inside their directories, inside their social media. Everywhere they have their business listed, their business name listed. So they have all these keywords. And these are the volumes. This is like how many times people have searched those keywords this month. For example, fence repair, Houston, people have searched it 350 times. So as you can see, most of the numbers are higher than the others. So that's how important these are. People are searching most of these ones than the others. So it's pretty important to have most of these keywords that are people are searching regularly, and that will really help you a lot. All right, so we talked about content, having at least 1,500 content on your homepage and other pages as well, especially on your homepage, and then having some keywords, some links, and then some clickable links as well, and then some more images. You do not have images except one, so we need some more images in here. So with that, I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks and have a great evening.